talk about how can you disable delivery notifications on your Amazon Alexa app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here, you just click on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on notifications here, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on Amazon shopping, just click on it here. So then you come to this list, then all you have to do, so you just go down, come here to deliver it here, then you click in this sign or this color. So that like you see here color, it's gone. That's mean delivery notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.